right, today you're going to get started on your digital flashcards activity. So the first thing you're going to do is click this little icon down here and select make a copy. When you do, it's going to open up your flashcards. Right here, the first thing I want you to do at the top is click this little star button, and it will ask you if you want to bookmark it to your address bar up here. Click done. And then whenever you need to find your flashcards, there should be a little tab up here at the top that says digital flashcards. Next, you're going to rename them. Delete where it says copy of, and type your name. Not my name, you're going to type your own name right here. And then you're ready to get started. This is a document that we are going to work on all year. So let's look at the instructions. Right here, you are going to use your textbook glossary, or you can use Google to define each term and create a flashcard on each slide. So you're going to include the term, which those are already on each slide for you, a definition, some sort of picture or illustration to help you remember the term, and then an example. So let's look at slide 1. So for slide 1, it's the term greater than. So I included the term right here. I made it in a cool font. I put it where I wanted it. I also included these greater than symbols. These I found on the keyboard. Sometimes you might need to import a picture or click insert shape or find some other creative way to include that symbol. And then you can also Google the term. So I might say greater than math definition. I would include math definition when you're looking for these. Okay, here I see several different definitions I can choose from. It's a mathematical term used to compare two quantities and help establish a relationship. It is a variable is greater than or equal to another particular variable. There's lots of definitions to choose from. Choose the one that makes the most sense to you. You can copy and paste that, go back and copy and paste that onto your slide. Then I included an example. 1.25 is greater than 1.18. I also included a little picture. You know, in elementary school, we learned the phrase, the alligator eats the bigger number. So I found a picture of an alligator and arranged numbers on either side of it. I also included a fun background. You can decorate these and make them as pretty as you want. So the rest is up to you. You have the rest of the year to finish filling out these flashcards. So I would recommend getting 3 to 5 flashcards done per day. So the next word you're going to work on is greatest to least. So you're going to type in greatest to least math definition and find the definition. And then I've had students be very creative with these pictures. They've shown me pictures of basketball players lined up, tallest to shortest, or different items lined up where the biggest item is on the left and the smallest item is on the right. So any way that you want to illustrate this for you that will help you remember it. I've had students get very creative and funny on these. So make sure that you include a number example as well as any pictures that will help you remember it, and have fun completing each slide. Next week, when you come back to this activity, instead of clicking the link in Canvas, you're just going to click the bookmark on your address bar, and you can pick right back up where you left off.